Hello, everyone. Thank you for being here today. I'm excited to share with you a groundbreaking scientific discovery that challenges our most fundamental understanding of life and death. For centuries, we have operated under the assumption that life and death are binary states. Either an organism is alive or it is dead. But what if I told you that there is a third state that exists beyond these traditional boundaries? A state where cells continue to function, evolve, and even gain new capabilities even after the organism has died. This discovery has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of biology and open up new frontiers in the field like medicine, biotechnology, and even our conception of the human condition. In the following slides, we'll dive deeper into the details of this remarkable finding, exploring the implications and potential applications. Get ready to have your minds blown because we are about to venture into the unknown. This discovery reveals a third state where cells continue to function, evolve, and gain new capabilities even after the death of the organism. Historically, our understanding of life and death has been shaped by various cultural and religious beliefs. From ancient civilization concepts of the afterlife to the Middle Ages religious dogma. The nature of life and death has been a subject of deep philosophical and spiritual inquiry. However, as the Enlightenment ushered in a more scientific approach to understanding the world, our concepts of life and death began to evolve. Advancements in biology, anatomy, and medicine have continuously pushed boundaries of what we thought possible. From the first successful kidney transplant in 1954 to the first heart transplant in 1967. In the coming slides, we'll explore how the emergence of the third state beyond life and death that has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of cellular function and open up avenues for regenerative medicine and the restoration of damaged tissues. Scientists have identified a state that exists beyond the traditional boundaries of life and death, where cells from diseased organisms continue to function, evolve, and even gain new abilities. This remarkable finding has important implications for our understanding of cellular viability and the potential to harness these capabilities for medical and scientific applications. As we delve deeper into the phenomena, it becomes increasingly clear that the traditional dichotomy of life and death may be an oversimplification of a more complex and nuanced reality. The key developments in modern medicine, from successful organ transplants to advancements in cell culture techniques and the rise of regenerative medicines, have all contributed to our evolving understanding of cellular behavior, even after the onset of death. These breakthroughs have paved the way for the further exploration into fascinating realm where the boundaries between the life and death become blurred. The past decades have seen even more remarkable breakthroughs that continue to expand our understanding of life and death. In the 1980s and 1990s, significant improvement in cell culturing and preservation methods allowed for the long-term maintenance and study of cells outside the body. This was a crucial development, enabling researchers to better understand cellular behavior and the potential for cellular viability beyond the traditional boundaries of life. Then in the 2000s, the emergence of regenerative medicine, focused on repairing or replacing damaged tissues and organs, laid the foundation of exploring the potential of cellular life after death. As we'll discuss in the next slide, these advancements are challenging our conventional notions of what it means to be alive and dead, opening up new frontiers in the study of cellular existence. The emergence of a third state beyond the conventional boundaries of life and death poses intriguing possibilities. As noted by Dr. Peter Noble, the ability of new multicellular life forms to arise from the cells of a diseased organism challenges our traditional understanding of these fundamental biological processes. This third state suggests that the transition from life to death may not be as binary as we once believed. Rather, there appears to be a liminal space where cellular functions and structures can be maintained or even reorganized in ways that defy our conventional definitions. To better understand how this third state operates, we'll examine several key hypotheses. including the role of bioelectrical signaling, epigenetic changes, and cellular memory. These insights could pave the way for unprecedented advancements in regenerative medicine and our overall comprehension of the dynamic nature of life and death. The emergence of a new life from the cells of a dead organism challenges the traditional boundaries of life and death. This intriguing phenomena suggests that the cellular systems possess an inherent adaptability and resilience that can be harnessed for revolutionary advancements in science and medicine. The key hypotheses underlying the third state include bioelectrical signaling, epigenetic changes, and cellular memory. These mechanisms suggest that even after death, cells can continue to communicate, reorganize, and recapitulate their original functions or develop new capabilities. By understanding and harnessing the unique properties of third state cells, we may unlock tremendous potential for regenerative medicine, tissue engineering, and beyond. The upcoming slides will explore recent experimental findings that demonstrate the remarkable regenerative and adaptive abilities of these cells, further challenging our understanding of the limits of cellular function and survival. We have learned that third state cells exhibit enhanced mechanism for repairing damage to their DNA and proteins, allowing them to maintain structural integrity and functions even under significant cellular stress. This increased adaptability is further demonstrated by their ability to thrive in diverse environments, suggesting a remarkable capacity for self-reprogramming and reconfiguration. Furthermore, these cells have shown the surprising ability to produce proteins that are not typically associated with their original cell type, expanding their functional capabilities in ways that challenge our understanding of cellular limitations. The cumulative experimental evidence paints a picture of a third state cells as possessing extraordinary regenerative and adaptive abilities, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible for cellular systems. These findings will undoubtedly have far-reaching implications across a variety of fields, as we'll explore in the next section. Building upon the remarkable experimental findings we have explored, the potential application of third state cells spans a wide range of disciplines, revolutionizing fields from medicine to environmental science. In the realm of medicine, these cells hold the promise of transforming regenerative medicine and organ transplantation. By harnessing their enhanced self-repair mechanism and adaptability, we can grow new organs or repair damaged tissues with unprecedented efficiency. This could dramatically improve outcomes for patients in need of organ transplants or tissue regeneration. Moreover, the insights gained from studying third state cells may challenge our fundamental understanding of life cycles and cellular behavior, leading to new breakthroughs in biology that could shed light on the very nature of life and death. As we delve deeper into the philosophical and ethical implication, we may need to reconsider legal definition and ethical boundaries surrounding the use of these remarkable cells. The third state cells and nanobots open up a world of possibilities across various fields. In the realm of personalized medicine, we can leverage these self-repairing cellular structures for targeted drug delivery, ensuring that treatments reach the precise tissue or organs that need them the most. This has profound implications for tissue regeneration, where we can grow new organs or repair damaged tissues using the enhanced self-repair and adaptability of third state cells. Imagine the potential to revolutionize organ transplantation or to heal debilitating injuries. Furthermore, these third state cells can be harnessed for drug discovery, allowing us to test new theories and identify compounds with improved efficacy and safety. This could lead to breakthroughs in addressing some of the most challenging medical conditions. Beyond the medical realm, third state organisms can also contribute to environmental cleanup efforts, aiding in pollution remediation and bioremediation to restore damaged ecosystems. And in the realm of space exploration, The insights gained from these cells could help create organisms capable of thriving in the extreme conditions of space, paving the way for long-term space missions or even terraforming. As we continue to explore the full potential of the third state cells and anthrobots, we must carefully consider the ethical implications, which we'll delve into the next slide. The development of a third state technology raises several important ethical considerations that we must thoughtfully address. First, the use of cells from deceased individuals raises questions around obtaining proper consent and respecting the rights and wishes of the deceased. We must establish clear protocols to ensure we are honoring individual autonomy and privacy even after death. Secondly, the creation of organisms from a person's cell could potentially blur the lines of personal identity and consciousness. We need to carefully examine the philosophical and legal implications of these blurred boundaries. Thirdly, as we work to develop a regulatory framework for third state technologies, we must ensure responsible development and safeguard against misuse or unintended consequences. Striking the right balance between innovation and oversight will be critical. Moreover, we must consider the potential for third state technologies to exacerbate healthcare disparities and limit access to life-saving treatments. Equitable distribution and fair access must be at the forefront of our considerations. Finally, the risk of creating new forms of cellular life and the potential for unforeseen impacts on individuals and society cannot be overlooked. Thorough risk assessment and mitigation strategies will be essential as we move forward. In the previous slide, we explored the ethical considerations surrounding the discovery of the third state, the ability to maintain cellular life indefinitely even after an individual's death. While there are valid concerns about the consent, identity, and potential misuse, this remarkable breakthrough also opens up a world of exciting new possibilities. Immortality research. Studying the mechanism behind the third state could provide invaluable insights into slowing down the aging process and extending human longevity. By unlocking the secrets of cellular immortality, we may be able to develop groundbreaking therapies to combat the effect of aging and prolong healthy lifespans. Interstellar exploration. The creation of self-sustaining third-state organism could enable long-term space missions and even the terraforming of other planets. These resilient life forms could thrive in the harsh conditions of space, paving the way for sustainable human exploration and colonization beyond our planet. Artificial intelligence breakthroughs. The principle behind the third state could inspire new approaches to machine learning and artificial intelligence, leading to the development of smarter and more adaptable systems. By emulating the remarkable properties of third state cells, we may unlock novel pathways to create more advanced and autonomous AI technologies. The discovery of the third state opens up a wealth of exciting new avenues for scientific exploration and innovation, from extending human life to transforming space travel and revolutionizing artificial intelligence. The potential application of this breakthrough are truly boundless. As we move forward, we must carefully navigate the ethical challenges but also embrace the transformative possibilities that this remarkable discovery presents. The discovery of the third state also raises profound questions that society must grapple with. How do we redefine the boundaries between life and death? The traditional dichotomy of life and death is now challenged by this new biological phenomena. We must carefully reconsider how we define these fundamental concepts. Another key question is, what are the ethical considerations of using post-mortem cells? The use of deceased individual cells raises complex issues around consent, personal identity, and the potential for exploitation. Robust ethical guidelines must be established to ensure this technology is used responsibly. We must consider the possibility that this technology could be misused. Advances in third state cells research could lead to unintended consequences or even abuse. such as the creation of novel organisms without proper regulation and oversight. Safeguards must be put in place to mitigate these risks. Finally, the discovery could have a profound impact on our philosophical and religious beliefs. The blurring of the line between life and death challenges traditional notions about the soul, the afterlife, and the society of human existence. This could have far reaching implications for various worldviews and belief systems. As we move forward with this transformative research, addressing these critical questions will be essential to ensuring the responsible development and application of this technology for the benefit of humanity. Transitioning to the next slide, we'll explore the closing thoughts on the significance of the third state discovery and its potential to reshape our understanding of biology. The discovery of the third state beyond life and death has the potential to reshape our fundamental understanding of biological processes. This groundbreaking research expands the frontiers of scientific knowledge in unprecedented ways. Ultimately, this discovery blurs the line between life and death, with profound implications for our philosophical and religious beliefs about the soul, the afterlife, and the sanctity of human existence. Navigating these complex questions will be crucial as we seek to fully understand the transformative impact of this groundbreaking research. I hope you liked this small presentation. In case you did, please consider sharing, liking, and subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. I see you in the next video.